How to change TikTok name before 7 days, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up TikTok, and then let's navigate to our profile page. Now, as you might know, when it comes to changing the TikTok name, you can see that TikTok tells you here that your name can only be changed once every 7 days. Now, what if you have changed your name, but for whatever reason you wanted to rechange it again before 7 days has gone by? Now, as of right now, TikTok does not give you that feature or option, but there are something that you can try, and uh, it's like the only solution that you have. So you just have to try it. Maybe it will work for you. Once you are on this page right here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy, and then scroll all the way down till you find the support and about section. From there, click on report a problem, and you will get to this page right here, in which you want to scroll to the topics section at the bottom, and from there click on account and profile, and here you will find several drop downs. As you can see, let me close this one. You want to click on the editing profile drop down, and from there click on updating name, and you will get to this page right here, in which TikTok give you some information about the name, etc., and how to change it. Now, at the bottom it asks you, is your problem solved? Click on no, and then click need more help. Once you do that, you will be redirected to a page, which is this one right here, in which we will try to basically message the TikTok support team and asking them to change our username and give them whatever reason you want, to each person his own reason. Say for example that you have mistakenly entered your new name, or tell them for example that it's something crucial for your audience or whatever reason. Just make sure to explain it well, and also you can add a screenshot or a video. So say for example, I will write change my name please, as I have entered it wrong, or anything like that. Once you have explain your issue to them, click on submit at the bottom, and after a while, maybe it will take few business days, that should get back to you and solve your problem. And as I said, this is the only thing that you can do right now to change your name before 7 days has gone by, so you might as well just try it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name on TikTok before 7 days. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.